The brand sent me these JewelPods. Let's have a look at them. Nice little drawer for them. Always like a drawer. These are fancy, I'll tell you what. Then inside of the box, we've got accessory, cleaning cloth. Way at the bottom, we've got instructions. Let's see if we can get it set up without those. Let's just try. Probably gonna need my glasses, so put those on in just a minute. Got a little cord. This is a pretty decent unboxing. When you think about it, these kinds of lesser expensive, I'll say, earbuds are usually just open the box, plug and play, and nothing special. But people like the specialness of opening these kinds of electronics. In my opinion, I do. I know my kids do too. So I like it. All I'm saying is I like it. It's spatial, which I think you got the point. A little white cleaning cloth. Did I get all that? And then it comes on this little sheet. That's pretty. Got a little hook there to put on your purse if you want. I love them. Let's see if they're charged enough to use. Of course, I can't use it because I'm using my phone, so I won't be able to see. We'll just have to have a look at them today, and then after I get them hooked up to my phone, then I'll come back with a better review. But for now, maybe you're just picking them because of the way they look, and if you like an unboxing, then I think you'll be happy. These are so fun. I don't actually know how to wear them. Do they go like this? Or just kind of rust inside your ear? If that's how they go, then they're very lightweight and comfy. That's fun. I don't know if that's the right way or not. Let's see if the instructions say. Because I don't want to steer you wrong now, if that's not how you wear them. Jewelry meets sound. Oh, you can wear them this way or you can wear them up. As long as it's in your ear canal, it says. You could essentially do them like this, but you have to have a short ear to do it. I must have giant ears. I think it just fits comfortably like that. They're not tight. They're not pinching anything. They're resting on there. You can hear the sound around you, but you can already tell that that is going to do a good job blocking the outside sound. I wish I could put these on right now, but then I'd have to stop recording to do that. So, but fun. They're so fun. Then, if you want to put them back in charge USB-C, which we already knew. What's inside of there? Oh, that's the buckle. No? I don't know what's inside of there. Hope everything's okay in there, though. Charges like that? Or like this? Yeah, it looks like a light came on. It's charging just like that. What? That is so fun. And there you go. I love it. I'll have to come back with the sound quality, but these are fantastic so far. Cute, adorable.